So what is sitemap? Well, the name is pretty much obvious. It's a map of your website. And with this map, you are telling Google that, hey, I have, for example, 20 pages on my website. And for example, the direction is this way, that you can come to this page, and from this page, you can go to these 2 pages, and etc. etc. It's a general map of your website, but of course, it doesn't look like a normal map. So how we can generate our sitemap and how we can add it to our property. There are several ways that you can do it depending on what service that you are using, but since we are using WordPress here, and Yoast itself will create the sitemap too. But if you are using other services, you can just search for it, and it's pretty much easy, but it is different for every service out there, right? So come to your Yoast plugin, and here at the top of the page, go to features, right? Come down, and here at the middle of the page, you will see it is written XML sitemaps. Click on the question mark. First of all, it should be on. And when you click on the question mark, enable the XML sitemaps that Yoast SEO generates. So in front of it, you see it is written see the XML sitemap. So click on it, and here it is your sitemap, right? At the top, you see there is an address. This is what we need. And here in this part, you will see each of these are the map of your website. So just copy this address in front of the URL of your website. Come back to Google Search Console, and under index, you will see it is written sitemaps. Click on it, and here you have to add the URL of your sitemap. So it already has the URL of my website. In front of it, I just have to paste the URL of my sitemap and click submit. That's all. And itself, every couple of days, it will refresh itself and take a look at your sitemap. If you add a new web page to your website, it will update it and bring it to Google search results, right? For example, for me, the last update was 2 days ago, and I added some new web pages to my website, so here they are, right? You can click on it, get more information about it, but more or less that's all you have to do to add a sitemap to your Google Search Console. As I mentioned before, it's exactly the same if you want to add your sitemap to Bing or Yahoo to bring your website in their search result. All right, so that was all about the sitemap. In the next part, we are going to talk about queries that we didn't mean to rank in. Let's go for the next one.